we always have the tendency, and you have the tendency, and I have the tendency to respond to the things that happen outside of our mind, like the things that are physical, the things that are material, and we have the tendency to respond to that in the same way we respond to our thoughts. I mean, if you think in a less positive way, you have the tendency to do something which makes you happy. But the difference is that what we should do it in a different way. Because if you want to change the way you feel, that's based on what you think. So eating chocolate, for instance, that's not gonna make you feel better. It's an impulse to your thoughts, and you just say, look, I'm gonna have chocolate, and that's a happy thought. So instead of going and putting chocolate, or overeating and all these sort of things, or start exercising or anything, go and change the thoughts you have. Change that first before you take action in the real life. Think about what comes in your mind, what you put in your mind, because that is the first thing you need to change. You need to change the thought and then move into action. Because if you start eating chocolate just because it makes you feel better, that's not gonna make it better. It's gonna make you feel better for a while, and then you're gonna see those extra kilos, or whatever you see, or you hate yourself for eating chocolate because you just had an agreement with yourself a month ago that you're not gonna touch any sweets. So make sure that when you put that action in place, it's based on a happy thought, not a reaction to what you see, not a reaction to your environment. Because it's very important to change the thought. Don't change the action. Change the thought. It's all here. We don't need anything to help us out except our mind. We have everything we have, and everything we need. It's in our head. Think about that, make it happen, and have the thoughts that you want to have. The other habits, they are based on your thoughts. So you decide in your mind what is going to be and how it's going to be. So make that decision and make it better.